Welcome back everybody, this is Awais back with another quick video about Jetbrains product on Windows. Now I was using this pycharm and I recently switched to Windows and I was looking for something that could enable me to use a Linux based terminal in Windows. Windows is great, but it cannot compete with the Linux based or Unix based terminal. You could do a lot more in that. So now the good news is that you can install Ubuntu operating system directly from a Microsoft store. All you gotta do is just open a store, search for Ubuntu, and you will get to this page. And simply click on the first one. And what it's gonna do is gonna basically install Ubuntu terminal, and you could use these utilities like bash, ssh, git, or apt. And that gives you a lot more option being a developer. So if you're a web developer or a Python developer, Java, having a proper terminal of Unix based, it's really good. So once you install this, and what I was struggling with, which I'm going to show you, is that how to enable that into Jetbrains IDE. Now I was looking for a way to do it, so what I did was like, I've got to go and find that installation, go to C drives, program files, and find where the hell this Ubuntu was installed. But after some research, didn't find much answers online, so I figured out that you don't really need to specify the full path. Usually you do, but for Ubuntu, because you installed it from a Microsoft store, all you gotta do is just bash.exe, apply, click OK, and then once you kill your first terminal and open up again, and that's when you see that it's Ubuntu terminal or Linux terminal. Okay, so this is gonna give you a lot more options to work with the terminal. It's great. Windows has amazing UI kind of thing, and then terminal is always great when it's Linux based. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.